Alright, this is my review on the WEN 13-inch planer. I've had this for, I don't know, probably about a month or so now. I'm putting it through its paces. As you can see, got some varieties of wood here. So far, I really like it. It works really well. It's got 3 blades, so it takes enough of the wood off at once. It's not like some of the cheaper 2-blade systems. It comes with a few things. It's got a dust chute that attaches here with just some simple screws that are provided. It does come with an attachment that comes onto the end here that you can use a 4-inch vacuum system. It comes with a little blade hex key to change out the blades when you need to, and also some magnets in order to change out those blades when time comes, and they're all conveniently stored right here. The handle, when it comes boxed, the only thing you have to attach is the handle underneath this little cap here. Just use the tool, screw that on. The handle here is already kind of attached. Just kind of pops on there. Put this cap on, and that's pretty much it. I did have to adjust the out feed and the in feed table. It wasn't too hard. It took me probably 30 minutes to do with a 6-foot level I had and a couple of wrenches. The points where you need to adjust are underneath here, and it's just a couple of 10mm nuts and bolts. The table's in feed and out feed fold up for storage, although I don't usually store it away. I usually just leave it here on my little bench, and it works really well. It's got some carry handles here on the side, so you can pick it up and move it. It's pretty solid, weighs a good amount. It's got 2 rollers here on the top. They're removable, so they're not like stuck in there. I haven't really knocked them out, moving any wood across the top at all, so it's been pretty good. I did put some paste wax on this. The handle is really smooth for operating. I'll move it up here. You can also see it's got the gauge in order to see how much you're taking off at any given time. It comes with a nice flat reflective surface, so you can kind of see up underneath where the blades and stuff are at if you need to. Keep moving this up so you can kind of see the blades and stuff in here. There's the bolts that hold the blades in place, but you use the tool to take them out. And this is the sharp edge of the blade right here. That's my neighbor singing. Yeah, doing a review right now. He's nice. All right, so since my neighbor came out and interrupted my review here, I'll get it started again. So yeah, like I was saying, 13-inch WEN. I was getting ready to put a board through it so you can kind of see what it does. The board I'm about to put through, you can tell, is not straight whatsoever. But you know, it is rough sawn, so I figured, you know, what the hell, might as well put it through the paces and just kind of see what I got going on here. So let's run this piece through. Set my phone down here. somewhere where you guys can see. Alright, so it's unpaused, and now some other neighbors' dogs are going crazy, but I'm about to drown them out with this thing, so let's run this board through here. Alright, now it's ready to run a board through. So I am by no means a YouTube professional content creator, so alright, I had to pause it because some neighbors were walking by. I didn't want to get them in the video. But yeah, so you can see it takes nice rough cut boards, smooths them out. Doesn't matter if it's a shitty board or not. Does a pretty good job. I'm pretty happy with it. I wish that if I could change anything, would just be maybe having two roller speeds. You saw the feed. It does pretty good. I don't think it's too much of an issue, and I forget what each turn of the wheel is, but I think a quarter turn is a 30-second. That's usually what I do anytime I'm running a board through it. So that's the WEN 13-inch planer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and my I don't know, impromptu review of these WEN 13-inch planer. So have a great day.